Guys, I'm a photo model. I'm also a makeup artist. I offer freelance basic English and Dutch lessons. I also offer basic web design coaching. So these are on freelance basis. So if you guys are interested, you can always contact me. So I'm self-employed and I have been doing that for almost a decade now. So if you wish to make beautiful pictures of me, you can always contact me. If you wish to, you know, learn how to design websites, on my website akinepatience.com/web designs, you must have seen some of my web designs. Like I have designed up to 14 websites already, so I'm still working on more. Sometimes I design and pay for it, like for the name. For example, Akine Patience is paid for, Blacknut.me is paid for, myfabulousbeauties.com is paid for, akinepatience.org is paid for, Fabulous Beauties Food is paid for. So it's almost 70 euros each website to pay for each, and to get a template, a very pretty template. Sometimes I pay for templates, right? So you have to pay for it, and sometimes I just choose the free themes, okay, available on WordPress. So if you guys wish to get a free website, now I'm working on several websites. I want to create a new website like trendy male fashion Amsterdam, or fashionable shoes shops Rotterdam, beauty salon Harlem, something like that, something fun, and also top-notch beauty salons or spa. And of course inform you guys if you're happy with what I've done. If you're not happy, I can delete everything immediately. It's a very beautiful room. Thank you guys for watching. Here's the bathroom area. Going to show you the way it's like. So this where you wash your body. So I need to turn on the light. I'm looking for where the light is. I'll show you what the bathroom looks like. So the light is on now. Looks absolutely fabulous. This way you can wash your body properly. I'm wearing bleaching. I need to polish my toes. Here you need to wash yourself, a toilet seat. Here you do have the towels for cleaning your body. This is going to be a room vlog. This is how the bedding looks like. It looks very pretty, very luxurious, nice carpet. And the painting on the wall looks absolutely wonderful. Has this so beautiful luxurious seats here, lovely floor, lovely interior, lovely decor. It also has this painting here, absolutely beautiful. Guys, I'm going to sing the theme song for today, okay? Enjoy. He said he likes my hair, he likes my smile, he likes my pretty face. He loves the way I talk to him. Said he likes my smile, he likes my eyes, he likes the way I talk to him. He likes my pretty face. He likes my hair, he likes my smile, he likes my pretty face. He likes the way I talk to him. He likes the way I dance for him. This is a close-up of what I'm wearing today. And on Blacknut.me. So for example, under the column Nigerian Delight, I did enlisted some hotels such as Eco Hotel, Radisson Blue Hotel, and of course some hotels in Enugu, and some fashion shops in Lagos such as Zizi Kado, Ashley's Re, ShopRite, Spa Supermarket, some IT firms, some web designers and more. So please check it out. And then what I do afterwards, after enlisting these companies under American Delight, Dutch Delight, British. The elegant nail glue I used for my nails. It's really nice. So you can make it shorter, you can file it, you can add a top coat, or I really like this. It looks really pretty. So some cars are also very, very awesome, you know, like if you have a very big car and do you say it, that has like an inbuilt home in it, like mobile hospital trucks. It's not actually a car, but trucks is also awesome. Ene offer the same, ene.org, and also Lambo in the Netherlands offer inbuilt mobile hospital trucks and trailers. So you can check out the blog post I wrote on my blog, akenepatience.com, related to this topic. So guys, this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing these brown trousers, very nice. This is my pretty makeup look. So how do you write a short story? You can write 3 kinds of stories. You can write actually more kinds of stories. You can write about fashion. You can write about fiction. You can write about drama. You can write about suspense, right? So there are all kinds of stories you can write about. So I enjoy writing short stories, and I've been writing for a while now. So why is it important to write story? Story can be entertaining. So if you go on YouTube, you find some short stories for children. So you find some cartoon animated stories. So stories can be entertaining, and yeah, it's great to read short stories. So one of my short stories is titled The Shy Model, and also I wrote about, you know, the sexy bank lady. And these stories are not, you know, real. They're just virtually fantasy. Also, the shy model, they are not entirely real. You know, all these scenarios, and that's like 100% real. So that's a disclaimer. Hello, good morning, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to coach you on how to become a makeup artist, and also how to apply your very own makeup. Without further ado, let's get started. So if you go on my website blacknut.me, under the column American Delight, you'll find some great listings I did there. Some great makeup artists such as Calibre Bell. She's a good makeup artist. Hello, good morning, welcome to my channel. This is my day makeup look for today. I hope you like it. So this video is dedicated to my Nigerian friends and European friends that like to eat very nice meal. So if you want to eat very delicious meal in Lagos, there are several restaurants I do recommend. I do recommend Genesis restaurants in Lagos. So you have Genesis restaurant in Lagos, and you also have Genesis restaurant in Port Harcourt. So if you do want to prepare your own meal or by yourself, there are several supermarkets I wish to recommend. So you have Spar Supermarket in Lagos. So Spar Supermarket is in Victoria Island and also in Ikeja. So you can buy some fresh tomato, onions, green pepper, you know, fruits there. So you can even find international items there. So if you're an European, or if you're from, you know, America, you can shop at Spar Supermarket in Victoria Island, Lagos, or at Ikeja. Okay. So you might be wondering, what are my favorite meals? What do I like to eat? I like to eat rice. I like to eat chicken. I also like to eat spaghetti. I like Indomie noodles. I like to prepare Indomie noodles when I'm, you know, in a haste, or if I have to attend lectures and I don't have a lot of time to prepare, you know, the full course meal. So I like to prepare white rice. So you can just wash it and cook it for like 10 minutes and wash it again, and then rinse it and then put it back in the pan and cook it for like 15 to 20 minutes. So there you go. Then you have your white rice prepared. So when it comes to preparing like chicken or meat, you need to wash it properly. After you have washed it, you can slice some onions, garlic, and add a little bit of Maggi if you do like to add Maggi. I do not add Maggi very often, but I do like Maggi, by the way. So I like to add onions and garlic and I bake it. And if it's something I wish to have well done, what I do, I parboil it for a while with tiny amount of water in it. And afterwards, I put it in a dry pan and I bake it with a little bit of oil, and garlic and onions. So there you go. There you have yourself a nice, well-baked meat or chicken. So when it comes to sauce, you need to prepare tomato. You can blend it or you may slice it. You slice your green pepper, your yellow pepper, your red pepper, your tomato, onions, garlic, and you may even want to add some other items. If you like fish, you can add it, and bake it. You have to fry it. Speaking of cappuccino, there are several eateries and places you can visit for nice cappuccinos, such as Starbucks. So I listed Starbucks on the top page of my website, Blacknut, that's me, and on my fabulous beauties. So Starbucks is a coffee brand. They do not prepare only coffee, they do prepare other food. You can eat salad at Starbucks. You can even buy sandwiches and tuna sandwich and cheese sandwich at Starbucks. You can even buy some drinks and fruits. So you have Starbucks in Amsterdam Central Station. You have Starbucks in Antwerp Central Station. You have Starbucks in Paris. You have Starbucks virtually everywhere. So if you want to go for a date, you want to go out all by yourself, you want to eat something nice, I do recommend Starbucks. So on my website I also mentioned Tesco supermarket, so on the top page. So Tesco supermarket is a great supermarket in the United Kingdom and also in Scotland, so you can buy food at Tesco supermarket and you'll be good to go. So you can prepare meals, or I think Tesco does have already well prepared meals as well. And yeah, so Tesco is a great supermarket. So why am I saying this? So I am a student mentor. I love mentoring as a freelancer, so I tend to mentor students and persons that wish to learn about food, learn to improve the cooking skills, and wish to lose weight and the kind of meals they can eat. I also like to mentor related to skincare, beauty, how to wash yourself properly, how to practice mouth hygiene, how to sleep better, how to exercise and all that. So in terms of hair care, mouth hygiene, of course, is important. Not only eating, right? You can eat, but you need to take good care of yourself. So when it comes to hair care, health care, or self-care, I do recommend brushing your teeth very often and using mouthwash from Listerine or from Hermes. So these are great mouthwash, so you can have a very nice breath whenever you go to work, or when you've finished eating, you can smell fresh, clean, and yeah, be friendly. So that's my take home in terms of taking care of yourself. When it comes to hair care, I do recommend you wash your hair properly every day, and also use items from Andrella and L'Oreal. So I hope this mentoring inspired you. I was a student mentor at University of Dundee till 2018, but afterwards I enjoyed mentoring, sharing nice pictures, writing short stories, and then doing Fiverr gigs. So if you want to learn about basic web design, you can contact me, you can chat me up, and you'll be good to go. So how many times did I say good to go? Yeah, I think this is my stopwatch for now. Thank you, I love you, have a good day, peace out. So guys, this is my outfit for today. Brown trousers, very nice. Hey guys, I'm going to share with you my outfit for today. I'm wearing this lovely shirt. So this is my outfit for today. Doesn't look bad. So I'm going to share with you my outfit of the day. I've worn this boho dress severally, but it's very convenient for filming, so I thought I'd share. Very pretty dress and this lovely blazers and this eyewear, and of course the headset from Virtual Reality. So both helps persons to to convert passengers from point A to point B. So if you live in Paris, Spain, Lagos, Nigeria, Abuja, if you live in other countries such as Berlin, you may be able to book both. So you need to go on Google Play Store to be able to download the app Bolt. So how do you spell Bolt? You spell both B-O-L-D. So you have Uber, U-B-E-R. So Uber is also a great company. So both companies are service companies. So you need to book these companies whenever you want to move from point A to point B. So let's assume you want to travel from London, you want to go from Victoria Station to St. Pancras. You need to book. The last but not the least service company I would like to share with you all is called Student and House. So Student and House is a great company in the Netherlands. So if you Google Student and House, you'll find the brand. So this company sends people to people's home. So if you live in Amsterdam Road to the Middelburg, they will find someone that can come to your home and guide you. So let's assume you do not know how to use PowerPoint, or if you don't know how to use Outlook properly, or if you don't know how to use some maybe install Photoshop, Adobe.